Hello.
Sir, good morning. Hello, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We all are present.
No, still
Three were not there, sir.
you are not there.
Sir, you start batch. Don't wait for me.
Yes, sir. How many we all are present today? Rahul is there.
Two. Yes, sir. Rahul and sir.
Vaibhav is there.
Sachin.
Sachin is also there.
Yeah.
Who is there? Shubham?
Only Rahul
No,
and
no.
Sachin is available.
Oh, only. Okay, fine, fine. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome
Good
back
morning,
again.
sir.
How was your yesterday actually?
Sir.
Yes.
Mm,
Yesterday we were waiting for you all, but we
yes,
thought,
sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. Actually, first of all, I want to apologize for yesterday incident.
What happened actually?
Uh, act- Actually, sir,
Mhm.
yesterday, I need to go to office on the same timing. Actually, I informed to Prashant sir,
Mhm.
these things happened and I will have to go. That thing happened due to I didn't join this session yesterday, and I whole day feel very bad. Means actually, you and Prashant sir was there for us, and we couldn't attend this session.
Mhm.
So it was very guilty feel. I can't say sir. It
What about others then? Vaibhav is there. Sachin is there. No?
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sachin.
As per everyday
Mhm.
scheduled, yesterday also I woke up in the morning and got ready for the session. But
Mhm.
surprisingly, I got that session is cancelled due to no one
I
was there.
Yeah, I did check when actually you came online. Actually,
Yeah.
I saw that. But see,
So
mhm.
after that normally I started the day with tea and family and the
Mhm.
hope of Sunday.
Mhm.
Everything goes on normal as per the Sunday.
Mhm. No, but what we consider, no, see, uh, basically, whatever we need to perform in the way, fine, I don't have any problem with that. But what happens to that if we invest time, all these were there, huh? All these. things were there. Actually, basically your punctuality, time, and a bit of regularity in this. Anyhow, it's not a big issue, but make it sure that next time you are available there. Okay. So today, before we start, I was just thinking that we should take a recapitulation that if some or the other way, because first topic we did of introduction, in which we presented one PPT in which you saw that what inspiration will bring out to be. Now, up till now, was there any problem related to anything, any topic or something else apart from any other thing we need to discuss from the first module, if I'll say?
No.
No, sir.
The problem we are getting, we asked you at that time.
See, it is your duty also to ask me. It's not like that. No, because yesterday we were also thinking that why everybody didn't report it on time. We don't know the reason, what the reason is, but fine, no problem at all. But it feels a bit, because when we expect the things to be happen accordingly, it should be. If suppose it is not actually comfortable for you for Sunday or any other part problem is there, so beforehand only you inform sir, so that what happens, no, that probably you also enjoy Sunday and sir also gets up early, myself also gets up early, so it should not happen in that way. So make it a point that if suppose such thing is there, beforehand only take a common decision, no issues as such, take a common decision, so what needs to be done finally, because we also understand that entirely the week you are tired, you are focusing on your work, and day by day the work is getting tough. So if you feel in that way, because we thought that make it Sunday as a discussion day, make it as a query sort of a inquiry or some situations in which you don't understand, or some point of time in the entire training session, or apart from this also, if you want to discuss anything, you're facing any problem, some depression, because we are in together, so that we can think over it like that. So make it a point that we should be very punctual and keep your time management part, and it happens, nothing as such. So today we were discussing first that what needs to be asked from you. Basically, if all would have been there, we would have enjoyed the session much more. So today also we were planning to show you one PPT relating to second topic we did with etiquettes. Now it happens to be, for example, that if this way we maintain our image, basically, why I'm telling you, I'll tell you the reason. Because what happens, sometimes our bosses are bad. Sometimes our bosses are not able to listen whatever things we say to them. So it happens, the entire 28 days, 29 days will go good for you, or one day can go bad for you. But make it a point that we should not commit mistakes from our side in which we are caught for it. We understand that if suppose you reach late also, no issues. If you come in reporting time and everything, a bit consideration can be done with you all. So at your workplace also you remember this, because every time things won't go good, and every time nobody will consider you in this way. Usually you are punctual, everybody, it's not like that. So therefore, we yesterday, sir and myself have had a talk with each other, and there we decided, so yes, it could be due to some reasons. Sir said, don't worry, we need to just focus on for tomorrow. I also said, sir, yes, we need to focus for tomorrow, and let's start for it like that. So I would request sir also to just, by the time sir can prepare the PPT, moreover, sir will give us a hint, then we'll come back to the PPT. Because etiquettes, what we had was a very practical aspects. But now, through this video also, you will understand that what actually things we need to put in our regular day-to-day life. Along with the speaking etiquettes, what you do. With action also, we need to present it. So we will deliver in that way. Meanwhile, I was thinking that when sir gets ready, we can come back on that. Meanwhile, I was thinking that, yes, as a speaking session from your side, that I'll give you today also some few words, what it means to you, because these are very, very important words, what I selected for, in which you have to speak something. It could be 4 lines, 5 lines, or a paragraph, or But whenever you speak now, so I want your expression should come up, and the continuation of words should be there. And possibly sometimes we feel that the speech goes in a very harsh manner or loud manner, or as if we are shouting to someone. So I want that you just try to imitate, just try to put in yourself that how best way I can present that. Because you just believe as you are a comparer, you are the host to hold and present that particular point. So I just want that change in you, that how you present that. Because finally, what I said to you, that if you think few things are very easy, you're mistaking yourself. Because sometimes it happens that above us, people are there. But if you think that, sir, or it could be yourself, that person is not capable as compared to us. Though we are much better. But why does it happen, Only one reason. Some or the other way, sometimes we say luck favors them. Sometimes we say the chance was given to you. But that doesn't mean that we are far behind. But make it a point that whenever such thing happens, you have to counter such situations so that you also should prepare and you have an added value of yourself, like something new apart from that boss. Sometimes it happens. Bosses are not that much, though they have experience, but they are not that much productive as you feel yourself sometimes. But all those positive points you put in you, one or the other day you need to wait for your chance in that scenario. Otherwise, what happens? Here the comparison comes out. So in the same manner, when I compare all these things, that we present you all as very progressive, very resourceful, don't make it a blank also of yourself. Don't make it a blank. And see, till late night also we just pass on the messages, the productive messages, the assignments what you do, the work assignment what you complete about. So that moment also you can just have a chat with sir. Is it clear what I mean to say? Sometimes it happens to be that we understand, probably we should understand. I'm talking for you also, we should understand. If such situation is there, you should work it out in this manner. Because this belongs to one part of etiquettes only. This gives you the options for how disciplined you are, how much you believe in your time, how much you believe in your punctuality, and most importantly, how much you are caring enough. Because if you are thinking it's a holiday time or it's Sunday like that, so be very open up. Because sir always wants to communicate with you, help you, or in fact, consider you. So in such scenario, if it is there, you should be very open up. In the same manner, what happens when I give you an example? Bosses are also not that much, though they are experienced, but they are not expert enough what you feel about yourself. But that doesn't mean finally he is your boss. He will behave absurdly, he will talk nonsense, or he will say anything to you. But that moment, what you have to believe that yes. So this comparison is there. So don't make it yourself to put any pinpoint or blank for any reason. This is one part of etiquettes. So in the same manner, I have few words which regularly we need to put in ourselves. So it could be that I can give two we have. So Sachin, I give one word, and Rahul, I give one word. So it's a very regular common word. So in which you have to just focus, and I'll give you again 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. By the time sir will give us the feedback, that after 4 minutes or 5 minutes, then we'll start with the video part. Okay, so I'll give you 3, 4. You can just think over it, whichever you want to take it. One is motivation, inspiration. Then we have team building, and if we can take as success, and 5th, depression. So out of these things, now whenever you express this, I'll tell you one thing. Go to the positive points. Go to the positive points as well as negative points. But when you start, you can take it. When I'll say you that it goes to you from your side. For example, I'll say Rahul as a motivator for motivation. So Rahul can speak about himself first, how he wants to get motivated. Along with this, that what Rahul thinks about others also, how to get motivated. In the same manner, if I give Sachin, suppose Sachin selects inspiration. So in that particular process, Sachin first should say about within himself. That how you need to get inspired. So what are the good things which makes me inspired? Apart from that, what you feel others should do that. So that what will happen? You get points to elaborate yourself. Your sentences become strong. Your vocabulary becomes strong. And possibly what happens to be that you make a very creative sentences or a paragraph or speaking ability what will present. So apart from five, anyone you can take it. I can give it to you inspiration, motivation, success, team building means team leadership, and fifth one, very regular one, it is happening as depression. So out of these five, whichever you want to select, you can select, and I'll give you 2-3 minutes with this. By the time you can prepare yourself and you can do the presentation in that way. So is it clear? So finally, we are
Yes,
taking
sir.
recapitulation. We are taking recapitulation about whatever topics we have done up till now. Probably I know you understood everything, but more of speaking abilities I need to just enhance of yourself. And I am really very confirmed also that you people know how to actually speak. But only I wanted to break out your speech with up and down voice modulation, let it go in a flow, and where I'll just see that where actually you make a bit of mistakes in this, and finally you put vocabulary and deliver yourself. So out of these five, which one Rahul wants to take? Inspiration, motivation,
Motivation.
success, team building, and depression. Which one?
Inspiration, sir.
Depression.
Inspiration.
Okay, inspiration. Yes. Sachin, which is yours, dear?
Motivation.
I was just thinking that these two are some or the other correlated. Now, inspire and motivation. Yes, go forward for it.
I
I'll give
can
you a.
take anyone, which you can select for me.
No, I feel Sachin, you can go with depression if you can.
Okay,
If it's
I'll go with depression.
because it's a tough one.
Yeah,
But I hope that
right.
what things comes out to be in that way.
Correct.
By the way, we prepared a video also to get ready with, for you all. So 3 minutes around you take it for your preparation.
Sir,
Start.
can I take
Can
hello?
I
Sir,
take?
can I take team building?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Take sure. Team building. Yes. So 3 minutes. Time starts now. Keep time management and prepare yourself nicely.
Okay.
Don't make pauses when you speak. Don't make pauses. Continue your sentences.
Okay.
If you make mistakes in vocabulary, no issues. But you continuously flow with your sentences. Just flow. I just want the rhythm should go. And don't run also. Keep intact like that. By the time I request sir also, sir, we need to prepare that presentation for them. So after this part, then we start with the PPT session, sir. So I hope, who's ready? Shubham, Rahul, Sachin?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Shubham is ready?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Yes.
Sir, my topic is team building, and my first point is adjust everyone to make free communication. Like we are in working in team, right? And that condition, we want to listen everyone and communicate with everyone. Uh, Basically, what's happened when we're working in team, some peoples are so he cannot
It's
talk.
happened.
Uh, let's happen. So can someone
What happens?
can everything? Something happens. Like, some people are introvert in our group team. So we is facing the problem and how they are facing problem in our work. Uh, and we want to make to solve their problems. And my second point is make a common law for everyone and try to avoid politics on our team. When we work in team, so when we work on a team, so we need a common law for each and every team member to make sure that everyone follow that rules and laws to avoid the mistakes in our team. In my third point, give an importance everyone in team and call we, not me. Working in team, we always call our team as a we. We are working for this time. We are doing our task very well. Not we are saying me. That means I'm working my task very well.
Mhm.
This and my fourth point is understand everyone and listen everyone problems and try to solve. When we are working in team, it's to listen what their problem is, what they want their team, what their point of view of our team or our team members and what they want, and try to make solve their problems in a positive manner or a good way that help for others also.
Mhm.
My fifth point is make a common tool. When we're working in a team, what we did, we are working each and every day, but we're working each and every day. We are not making that much of bond in working time. So make sure we have planning a tour 4 to 5 6 month duration to make a make a communication in a proper way, bonding our team members. I thought when we make a tour, it will create a bonding each and every two face and the picture very frankly. That means I'm saying that
Shubham, is it over? Actually, we were having a little bit of sound voice problem actually from your side. But yes, majority of the points you covered was good one. Only thing one I should say that Shubham, you should work upon your that those pauses what you do now, that you need to remove. Make it in the continuity part. So when tomorrow when we have this session, then you have to not include that. There actually you do little bit of error. I didn't mean to say mistake, a little bit of error in which continuity, because you think and speak, correct. So those pauses you need to remove. Why it is happening? Because you're having words and you go in a flow fast. The same thing you say a bit slow in your speed, and don't give that gap. Gap should be based on comma, full stop. That time, 1 second, fraction of a second pause you can give it. But what you are doing when you're reading, team building is related to like that. Those pauses should not be there.
okay, sir.
Your
I
speed
will
is
work
fine.
on that.
That we need to stress upon. Only that silly mistakes and a little bit of grammar part and everything. What happens we don't say. We say what happens. let's see what happens. We cannot continue with apostrophe is both sides. Anyone, what happens like that? So because you are going in limit and little bit of voice problem was also there. So work it on this aspect only. Otherwise, your points were absolutely good. Nice tools, qualities, avoid politics and everything. Very nice sub points you took it. That was good one. Just work upon that. Your pauses. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just work upon your pauses. You flow with speed nicely, but उसको हमको थोड़ा सा intact करके go a bit slow so that this is not to be but those pauses should not come out. Bus. You have to stress on that only.
Okay.
Okay, you have to just focus on that. Otherwise, nice sub points you prepared, no doubt about that. Good one it was. I enjoyed it. Good. Now,
Next time I'll improve my communication.
Yeah. Who's next one? Sachin, Rahul?
Yes, sir. Rahul, yes.
Rahul, don't make pause, huh?
Okay, sir. I will try.
No, just focus on that, huh? Just make your willpower that much. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Koshish karo, huh?
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I want to. Sorry, I just want on my video. First of all, sir, I want to apologize for yesterday's incident, and I will assure that in future it will not happen. Now I go to my topic, inspiration. Sir, in our day-to-day life, many people are inspiring us. Just we need to focus. Means just we need to what I say. Just I need to see on them to how they are inspiring us. In our life, in our home, my family, in our means. All family, all their parents inspiring us, family members, mother, father, brother, sisters, all are inspiring us. Prashant sir, you are also inspiring us. Actually, we saw Prashant sir from since 2012. She inspires us in many ways. Yes, sir. And now this is a pandemic situation goes on, and I saw these NMC guys working on this pandemic situation, and these guys are inspiring us because all in this pandemic situation, we all are in our home, but they are working for us. So they are also inspiring us. Our doctors or policemen, they are working for us, and they are inspiring us. And I think, sir. Means I want to become for others for inspiration. I want especially for my daughter. I thought she inspires from me. I do something what means so, sir.
Okay.
Actually, sir, one thing happened with me.
Today you're not looking comfortable.
Yes.
बोलो क्या problem? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
See.
That's वही मैं आपको
Yes.
Yes, actually, sir. When I'm trying to make the sentence, actually yesterday incident frequently goes on my mind. I'm thinking that क्यों हुआ.
I was doing that. Forget. Sometimes no, sometimes see. People are there to do mistakes, and you are ours. You all are ours. Okay, so it's not a big difference like that. See, when you are attached to somebody now, you try to feel that you never want to hurt them. Basically, so don't feel bad about that. It's a part of life, or it's not a big issue happened. Yes, that shows that yes, Rahul needs a bit of more confidence, a tough sort of confidence in you. See, if I am speaking in front of you now, if I'll say that I also have a lot of problems in life, suppose I'll say like this, then, but still, when I face you all, I should have that vibrancy to face you all. Isn't it so? Everybody has ups and downs in life, and this is just not a reason in a simple way. But yes, we can understand that much more than you now, we people feel bad about that. We feel sad about that. Because finally we feel because hurting someone is the biggest sin actually I can say. Yes, situation matters, problem occurs, sometimes it happens to be. Now Rahul is a father of a daughter, so you need to be very strong enough with this. No, don't worry about that. See, we also were waiting, but we never thought, we didn't got angry. When we thought to make up ourselves, sir was saying, "It's sir, hoga na Sunday ko enjoy kare रहेंगे, चलो ठीक है." I also said, "हाँ sir, let them enjoy, no problem." I said, so oh, we show our strictness to you all, but उसके पीछे ना एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. A big reason is there, just to improve you all. Because in today's world, such good people are not there. Believe me.
Right, sir.
Believe me, good people, the quantity or the quality or the numbers of good people are no longer existing nowadays. When I also see big public speaking workshops and orientation, that time also I imagine chairman, vice chairman, director, entire team, DNF company and all these things. Everybody is sitting. But when the guest is explaining them, what he is explaining, the same thing, motivation, leadership, inspiration. They also require the same thing, just imagine. And when he delivers them, he shakes them. Or when we see in such sessions that we shake them in that way, that time they realize. And that too also what they do, that is only for bit of fraction of second or fraction of minute. Otherwise they feel, now, I'm wearing blazer, I'm having tie, I'm having Mercedes outside, I'm in this car, I belong to this big company. What is there in life? But inside, they have problems. And therefore, when such occasion has been organized, or such workshop is organized, or training session is organized, that moment they realize that time. Because they're not able to answer. When the question is being asked, they are not able to answer. So we are in a sort of a family in which, yes, things will happen, but we need to be strong enough. For all these things, we need to be strong enough. We cannot say that our children are doing deliberately. Are deliberately करे भी तो क्या problem है? One day you enjoyed, na? One day you want to enjoy. What is the problem in that? अगर जानबूझ के, deliberately meaning is जानबूझकर. अगर deliberately अगर आप लोगों ने किया भी है, मस्ती हो, मजाक हो, अरे we also did such things, na? But that doesn't mean that you are not pure with your heart. That doesn't mean that you're not dedicated towards whom actually from where you're learning. That I can signify. That I can just understand. Because you feel something is missing. You felt something is missing that day. It goes on. Because when you become responsible, you feel that such occasion only we need such people to handle us, to help us, to guide us, to counsel us, to make a pathway, or wherever you are in problem or depression, that moment somebody should be there that, yes, एक ही medicine एक जगह से मिल सकती है, वो आपको पता है कहाँ से जाना है. So such things is there, and it's regular part of life. It will happen. Because morning I saw, you are not in that vibes. I was knowing psychologically, I was understanding. Same I'll say to Shubham also and Sachin also. Some part they were feeling that. Some part they were feeling, yes, that's something we missed out. It could be, sir.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
actually, sir, I feel that sir, you were there for us, and we can't.
See, this is actually, this is our attachment. Prashant sir, myself, and you all. Whenever I feel, now I feel that they are my student, they are my friends, they are my younger brothers, sister. So I also feel that, because whenever we discuss now, we discuss about you first. Then we discuss about what we need to for the future. Then we discuss about that how to bring everyone together here. Because good people are not here presently. Everybody is having problems in life. But yes, some part of 60-70% if we are providing, including our problems, including our liabilities, including our thoughts and everything. But still, if you can inculcate what we have learned about, and we are trying to change life, we are trying to change your identity, what you are, our work is done. We feel we have achieved something. When you say now, small example, sir, yesterday I went to office and this happened. No? You won't imagine, आपसे ज़्यादा खुशी हमको होता है, सर को होता है. We feel much more happy that कुछ नहीं, इतना सा तो contribution we did it ना. What? This much is fine for us to happy, to enjoy, to relish. The entire day goes on very active. That it makes us energized because yes, we are creating minds, we are creating future, we are creating new world. Not according to your qualifications, but yes, some part of contribution. Qualification means the entire subject and everything like that. But देखो इतना सब्जेक्ट करने के बाद में भी हम लोग छोटी छोटी चीजें याद नहीं रखते. You yourself is a father now. आपको खुद को पता है कौन कौन सी चीज आप मिस करते हो लाइफ में, लेकिन आप now you want to do for her. You cannot get away from her. Correct? Same goes, now you are in such a stage of time in which you have to think in that way. You can't run away, you can't get away from that. कितना भी रो ले बच्चा, parents कैसे भी हो, but they'll never leave. They'll always show the comfort, they'll always show the caring. So such part is there. Now presently, others are not responsible with family part. Rahul is having a different criteria presently. One or the other day, they'll also get chance. That time they'll feel, sir was saying correctly. But yes, why not to be prepared with everything? Yeah, everywhere you can prepare. For every situation, you should be adaptable. When we also got married and everything, we never thought this thing will happen. But gradually, time teaches. टाइम के साथ साथ जो वैल्यू सीखते हैं, मैनर सीखते हैं, एटिकेट सीखते हैं. अब आप एक बताओ, whenever we go outside, पेरेंट लोग क्या करते हैं? मास्क लगाते हैं, बट बच्चों को मास्क नहीं लगाते. इसका मतलब क्या? Think logically, think now, because every day we think we learn from our experience. That also I see. Then I used to stop them. I said, sir, आपको बचना ज्यादा जरूरी है कि बच्चे को? इम्यूनिटी किसका स्ट्रांग रहेगा? Then they feel ashamed. वो निकालते हैं, ये वाला मत लगाओ, आगे से ले लो और वो लगा लो ना. I have contributed. One more thing I'll tell you. Example, very instant, good one. I was on that way of Avasti Chowk. One boy, father, boy, and mother behind. And I was in my car. I was going on the way that side to Ekta Nagar, that's a friend's colony. So that signal I stopped. I saw that boy wearing earrings. He was wearing earrings and tattoos and all these things. And he was wearing school uniform. Father in front, mother sitting behind, and beach mein child. Probably 10th or 11th standard, but he was wearing tie and everything. Then I said, I just looked at him and I said, what is this? I just said it. What is this? So then I said, it's not looking good. Right in front of parent, father and mother. Right in front of them, I said him that it's not looking good. I said, अगर ये निकाल लेना तो और अच्छा दिखेगा. दोनों पेरेंट ने उसके तरफ देखा. इसका मतलब ये है कि पेरेंट की बात बच्चे नहीं सुनते हैं. They don't listen to the parents. Right in front of parent, they are wearing earring. Then I said one sentence to him. Identity of you will be much better if you put your tie up and you take out your earring. That shocked him. He instantly took out, he instantly put the tie nicely. And then I gave him a thumbs up. But the feeling I saw in the eyes of the parent, कि जो हम नहीं कर सके वो एक सिग्नल में, एक झटके में ये चीज हो चुका है. Contribution is done. The child also feels guilty about that yes, I was actually doing wrong. So students, sometimes we also do wrong. It's not like that. We also do wrong. We also commit mistakes. Nobody is perfect. But still, whenever we feel that yes, a best part of contribution should be given, why not to do it? In the same manner, I also feel some parents are also like this. They are not wearing mask, but the child is wearing mask. They are caring, no doubt about that. But that doesn't mean that yes, we should not obey rules. Rules with a part of life, principles with the rules of part of life. So they also should wear. So we get a lot of examples by working, looking, observing. We understand all these things. So yes, mistakes happens. Most importantly, you commit. बहुत बड़ा चीज है. When you commit yourself, when you confess yourself, when you feel yourself sorry, that is enough. Though I usually say sorry is a very different word, to be very frank. Because you are committed to make mistakes continue, है ना? But फिर भी कैसे रहता है? वो sorry को feel करना पड़ता है. वो sorry को feel समझना पड़ता है. आंखों में, psychologically, expressing wise, we can understand that. And it is no harm. If suppose I'll also be late, no, I'll rightly accept. Sorry for everything, I reached late. Sorry, my dear, I'm sorry for that. If I'll be late, I have to accept. And I do accept. So, I know Rahul, Shubham, Sachin, Sushma is there, then Vaibhav is there. No problem as such. But make it a point if you want to take it in that way also. No, most importantly, you are what I can say that you are very truthful enough to express. That's enough. That's enough. And don't ever think that sir is feeling bad, Prashant sir is feeling bad. No. एक pinch ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा होता क्यों है like that. But what we do, we manipulate our thoughts. हम लोग उसको mindset को change कर देते हैं. क्यों change करते हैं? This is psychology. If we consider it that way, what will happen? What will happen? We will feel depressed. तो वो depression अभी किसके ऊपर आने वाले depression? सचिन के ऊपर. Now Sachin will speak. So all these examples makes you strong. अब मान लो घर में किसी की तबीयत खराब हो जाए तो क्या सब एंजॉय करेंगे क्या? Absolutely not. Nobody will enjoy. In fact, the most responsible person, son, father, daughter, who are basically earning, they will be depressed. कैसे ठीक करें? Money कहाँ से arrange करें? How we have to focus? So time teaches everything. Automatically responsibility comes over you. Automatically you feel no, आज हमको जिम्मेदार बनना चाहिए. I have to become responsible. The moment you saw your daughter coming in your hand, you got responsibility, Rahul. You felt no, now I am who? Now I'm not Rahul, I am father of a daughter. Automatically आपको responsibility आई है Rahul.
Yes.
मम्मी पापा ने आपको ये चीज नहीं सिखाया होगा. Automatically आपने उसको focus किया. I'm telling you the real fact. I'm telling you the real fact. You felt that moment. This is my time of showing responsibility. दुनिया इधर की उधर पलट जाए, but Rahul will never change for daughter. So such things are there, and therefore we should be humble enough. हम लोग हमें ना, we need to have humility actually. We need to show kindness. No issues as such. और ये सब ऐसे precious चीजें हैं, they are so valuable that you cannot purchase with money. It is typically unvalued, and it is for the infinite times. So make it very clear. Don't worry about that. We felt the reality, we felt the thought. It's not an issue today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The same thing. Emotions को control रखने के बाद में भी you need to be strong. Tough times आता है life में, but that moment we need to be really strong enough to deliver. Yes, still I am truthful. Still I am 100% sure whatever I did it. And I feel that also. Sometimes in a round, sometimes it happens to be that when real thing happens now, people understand. बेकार से बेकार बॉस क्यों ना हो, बेकार से बेकार पेरेंट क्यों ना हो, बेकार से बेकार सिचुएशन क्यों ना हो. The worst situation happens also, people understand sometimes. Because if we are good, things also will be good for us. Okay, so be strong. Emotion times also, no, Rahul, be strong.
Okay.
It goes for everyone. Today see, सबका इमोशंस का है ना एक लेवल रहता है, अप एंड डाउन रहता है. कोई बहुत ही डीप इमोशंस वाला रहता है, किसी का इमोशंस बहुत स्ट्रांग रहता है, कोई बीच में फेवरेबल रहता है, somebody is favorable in between. But how to cover up those emotions, that is more important. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And life teaches. Everybody is not happy in this world. Everybody is not happy. Everybody is not filled with pleasures, with enjoyment. So situations makes you to change. Okay?
Yes.
I think you won't imagine. Vaccination हुआ है बेटा राहुल?
Yes, sir.
That moment, how it feels, just imagine. You feel to kill the doctor, am I correct?
Yes.
Just to kill the doctor, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
What is your daughter's name?
Rugvedita, sir.
What?
Rugvedita.
Okay, Rugvenda.
Right, sir. Rugvedita.
Okay, good. What is the meaning of that word?
Sir, it is it comes from a Ved, Rugved,
Ved.
Samved.
Veda, it's in that way, huh? Correct.
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I took this word from Veda.
Ved, some Ved book,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good, Rahul, good. Yes, Sachin, you are ready for the tough topic?
Already.
Very good, yeah. Come on, start.
I
Let's
was
go.
ready from that moment which you given me that topic, but I was stopped because of my background sound. There was a kachra wala here.
Okay, that time. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was just listening.
Thinking that you should go and finally you will start like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The now comes to the topic. You given me a topic, depression.
Yes.
This is the most important topic in everyone's life.
Yeah.
Everyone nowadays are in depression. But it depends on the way they handle it.
Correct.
Like recently, we have seen Rahul is very depressed just because of yesterday's whatever happened. But the
Mm-hmm.
things is what in which way you take it. He feels very bad. He take it as a on mind. But
Mm-hmm.
what could be? It could be like he should say just, sir, sorry, such things happen, but because this much is reason.
Mm-hmm.
So the thing is what we are thinking, what we have to behave, and how we control our mind. When it goes to me, I have faced depression many times. But from my childhood, my family gave me in such a what that says environment that never goes by wrong way. Like when we take a live example, I got failed few times, but my family supports me very well. They said, "Beta, it's okay. You are failed. That's not an issue. But the thing is, what you will do next. That is the past. You have failed. But now think upon it. What you can do and what you will do." So by this way, they always used to support me. So I goes with them and think about what I have done and what I have to do now.
Mm-hmm.
That things just disappears the depression. When I see after a few times I got succeed and goes in little bit past that what I have done, I feel very happy, feel very confident. Like yes, that situation was there. I was failed there. I was very depressed, but my family supports me, and now I'm in a very good, better position.
And what do you
It
want to
was a
say the message to others for depression? What do you want to say for others in common?
other in common is it is not a way that depression is not there. Always there is a depression. Always there is a situation that you will get depressed, but you have to be by your own. Like we have a current example which is trending till now. Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case. It is not a solution. Of course, there is a problem. Of course, there is a much more thing you could not handle. But it doesn't mean you have to do suicide. Of course, it could be financial, emotional, whatever. But think upon what from where you belongs to. What was you? Not think upon what will you will be. When we goes to this case, if he think like that, what I was and what I am, did he need to do that? Did he really think upon do that? This is just my opinion. Whatever situation we don't know exactly because there is a much more different part of the situation which must be real or must be just imaginary or it must be just told by people. But the main thing is you have to take responsibility for what you have done. Whatever happening that because of you. Of course, others are you can blame others, but that's not a solution. Take yourself as a responsible. I have done that. Whatever happens, that happens because of me. If I had done that things, that should not happen with me. If I have managed everything properly, if I have as what I want, what I am now. Wherever I am not that bad. So everything will be fine. Take responsibilities, take whatever happened on yourself own. I have done that. Then there will be no depression. And think like what I can do now. Whatever happened, that happens. That's the past. But in present, what I can do now that I can be, it can be ignored in future. You have to think upon that. This is a solution for it. There is a much more things I can talk on this topic, and we can put in this topic. Our day goes on, but we have to be very think about it. We have to be very exact on this topic.
Do you want to continue?
Sorry.
You want to continue, Sachin?
Yeah,
You
of
want
course, I have too many examples, but just let
no,
it be.
good. No, it's part of my just joking with you to continue. But
Yeah.
yes, everything good points you said. See, sometimes no, when we go into solutions, simple way to take it out. People argue, people make mistakes, then people go fighting sort of a spirit they have. Then they feel that yes, now things are bad for me. Now I'll do whatever is responsible for me. I'll do it in that way. That is only the moment when we need to counter ourselves. You said it all correct. So all three of them have really contributed nicely. Now I just want to play with some game with you. Spell bee. Prashant sir, are we ready with PPT? By the time I play a spell bee, a 1 minute game. So everybody will get chance, and you have to speak all the spellings. I'll go fast, in which you have to say me the spellings. Okay? So one by one I'll go, and 1 minute time I'll give it to you. Fine?
Yes, sir.
So I'll be starting first with
So, which PPT actually you didn't share?
sir 20. I said you 20 etiquettes.
Yesterday you shared?
Sir, check it on the message. My message you check.
No.
And save your time, you'll get that. By the time, Sachin, I'll go bit very fast. In
Okay.
1 minute, you have to. Yes, sir.
No, sir. I didn't receive message.
Okay, so you just type 20 etiquettes.
Yesterday you share or when?
A little, no, sir. Day before yesterday. You check it on the. You check it in the message, no? The text message. What you send WhatsApp. Sachin, we are ready.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, I'll go fast. 1 minute. How many spellings you can cover? Okay. This will just give you the speed. I'll go a little bit speed. You also answer me speed wise. Okay. First
Okay.
word. Your time starts now. Depend.
DPND.
Ethics.
ETHICS.
Again repeat.
ETHICS.
Correct. Rural.
RURL.
Ruler.
RULER.
Confuse.
CONFUSED.
Honor.
HONOUR.
Harsh.
HARSH.
Interest. Sorry.
INVEST.
This is wrong. Admire.
ADMIRE.
Falcon.
FALCAN.
Wrong. Plight.
Flight.
Polite.
PLIGST.
Good. So you made 2 mistakes. Huh? Time up. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11, you made 2 mistakes. Right?
Sir, which two?
Pardon?
Which two?
Plight.
And
PLIGST. A plight of plane. बहुत सारे प्लेनों को हम लोग फ्लाइट बोलते हैं. Falcon. Falcon also is a type of bird. FALCAN you said. Falcon.
Yeah.
CFALCON. It should be okay.
okay.
No, इसमें check हमने क्या किया? We check the speed and the presence of mind, and most important, how much perfect you are in all these words up till now, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll go with the next word. Shubham, ready?
Yes, sir.
First word. Your time starts now. Occupy.
1 minute, sir.
Occupy.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Occupy. You are able to hear?
Yes, sir. Am I able to?
Occupy.
Occupy. OCU PAY. It's wrong, I think.
Okay. Accept.
ACEEPT.
Accept. Now this is one is accept लेना और accept अलावा. अब ये expect ये accept क्या रहेगा? अच्छा fine. That will create confusion. Ostrich.
Stretch.
Ostrich.
OSTRIG.
No. Ostrich I said. Now next is convey.
CONVAY. CONWAY.
Oh, no. Mindset.
MINDSET.
Okay. Mistake.
MISTAKE.
Fine. Time up. In fact, I gave you 3-4 seconds much more. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shubham gave you only 2 answers correct. Okay. I'll repeat the spelling. Occupy. 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 Accept means लेना. किसी से लेना. Accept. 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 और दूसरा accept क्या होता है? अलावा. इसके अलावा. EXCEPT. Accept that. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Like that. Then ostrich. Ostrich means the bird.
The bird.
Which doesn't fly, huh? Which doesn't fly. Ostrich.
Yes.
OSTRICH. Ostrich. Convey. Message pass on करना. Convey करना. CON. Con. Way. VEY. Way. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Rahul, ready? Rahul, are you ready with you?
Yes, sir. Ready. I am ready.
Yes. Now your time starts now. Imitate. Imitate.
IMMEDATE.
Adjoin. बाजू में. Adjoin.
ADGOI.
Adjust.
ADDJUST.
No. Single D.
ADJUST. Adjust.
You said double D, na?
No, sir. I am correcting my word. ADJUST.
Time management. Okay, I'll give it.
Okay.
Next is
Okay.
occasion.
Sorry, sir.
Occasion.
Occasion. Sir, pass it.
Okay. Rumor.
REMOUR. Right.
Ruler.
RURAL.
Okay. No. I said ruler, not rural.
Okay.
Internet.
Internet. INTERATE.
What? Again repeat.
INTERATE. Internet.
Economics.
ECONIMICS.
Okay. Admire.
ADMIRE.
Again repeat.
ADMIRE.
Fine. Correct. So out of 8, you gave me 3 correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, this was just a small examination what we were supposed to do. This is called as presence of mind, vocabulary strong power, and most importantly, listening also does matter in this, because if I say accept, बताना पड़ रहा है सबको accept जो लेना है हमको. But if I say like this, accept, so EXCEPT, the punch of the word is same, but spellings are different. Where? Isn't it? 2 words are there according to that.
Yes, sir.
But the pronunciation, then I have to give you the helping hand of that also. What does that word mean? Now, one more game I'll play with you. Suppose I start one word to Rahul or Sachin. So after Sachin finishes, suppose I'll say rain. Sachin will say any of the sentence, present or mind. We'll go very fast. Huh? We'll go very fast in a circle. Probably I feel time is not allowing us presently. But one example we take. Suppose I'll say Sachin start with the word rain. So he'll say any one sentence. Yesterday it was raining. Yesterday it rained. Yesterday it rained. So from rain, yesterday. I'll take the word yesterday. From yesterday, Shubham will say yesterday ka ek sentence. If Shubham says yesterday was a sunny day, so from there I'll take one word sunny. So sunny se related, you have to create one word Rahul like that. Means one sentence. Should we give an example with this?
No, I got that.
We will go very
Yes, sir.
fast. We will go fast. Make it very sure. From Sachin, it will go to Shubham. From Shubham, it will go to Rahul. Then from
Okay.
Rahul, it will go to Sachin.
Sachin.
Only once we'll do, because time is actually not allowing us to do further. So suppose I'd say sunshine. Sachin.
Yesterday, sunshine was very beautiful.
Beautiful. Rahul. Sorry, Shubham. Beautiful. Shubham. Beautiful. Fast. Any sentence beautiful. Shubham is there.
No, he left, I think.
Okay.
Maybe network issue.
Okay. Rahul, you say
Yesterday I saw a beautiful car.
car. Sachin.
I love to buy a car.
Buy. Rahul.
I
Buy. B-U-I.
buy. Today I want to purchase bike.
Bike.
I love my bike.
Love.
I love my daughter.
Daughter.
Daughters are so cute.
Very good, Sachin. Cute.
Children are always cute.
Very good. Good competition. Children.
Children are the main property of parents.
Made property. Something very different sentence. It's a property. Yes, Rahul.
Yes.
Property. I don't have any property.
Achha, you don't have property presently. Don't, Sachin.
Yes, sir.
Don't use earphones while driving.
Very good. Driving.
We should more careful when we are driving.
Again, you made with driving. Achha. What
Okay.
you said? Careful. Yes, Sachin. Careful.
Always be careful while you are driving two-wheelers.
Always. Rahul.
Always maintain punctuality.
Punctuality. Social distances. Punctuality. I'll take punctuality, because now the time is saying us to be punctual. And now any moment sir will give us a reminder. So our punctuality says that yes, we have to end it up here only. But absolutely good. I enjoyed this session part. Nicely participated. Nicely did also. Very good. So I hope today's day of yours should be a vibrant one. I pray you enjoy. Stay safe. And come back tomorrow, please. Okay?
Sir,
Take care. Okay. Sir?
Listen. Hello.
Yeah, Sachin, say.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Say.
Did you got what I have said? Children are property of parent.
Yeah.
Did you get the
Yes.
meaning?
Yes.
Which property?
Which property?
Yeah.
This property is never ending actually. This is an eternal property. What children are for their parent.
Yes.
Why
That's
did you
what I
ask?
want to say.
Why did you ask this question?
I think that it is misunderstandable. I mean, you
No.
misunderstand it.
Absolutely not. Many words are there, Vidu. Many words are there. They are permanent property. They are life.
Right.
They are eternal. They are everything for them. Unvalued.
They are what you have earned
Yeah, no comparison. See,
in
that
the
was
whole life.
your feeling of framing a different sentence, which has been appreciated. Sir said you in that sense that, sir, Sachin, you created in a very different way the sentence. Usually we don't hear in this way. No? That is the reason I
Yeah.
say. Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Whenever you say negative also, I'll catch that also. Whenever you think that things are going wrong or thinking is going wrong, don't worry. Good you asked me this question and clarified also.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Happy
Yes, sir.
healthy.
Same to you. Have a nice day.